What's up everyone? Welcome to the video. Today we're going to take a look at how to replace the cabin air filter in a 2026 Hyundai Tucson. I'll put a link in the description box of this video to where you can find these replacement cabin air filters if you're in need. So our cabin air filter is going to be located behind the glove box. In order to get to it, we need to open the glove box. Then if we take a look on the right hand side, we're going to see there's this latch right here. In order to disconnect this latch, I'm just going to get my finger around it like this and pop that off. Now what we need to do is fold the glove box down, and there's two stops that are preventing it from coming down. You can see one right here that I'm touching with my finger, and there's another one just like it on that side. So what we're going to do in order to get these stops to clear is push in towards the center of the glove box like this, and you can see that gives that stop a little bit of room. If you have both your hands free, you can do these both at the same time. Same thing over here, pull or push towards the center, and that's going to allow that glove box to fold down like that. And that glove box is just sitting on those hinges, so if it comes completely off, that's fine. But taking a look back in here, this item right here is going to be the access door to the cabin filter. There's a pinch clip on the right hand side. These will just pinch together like this and then pull off. Once we get that off, we can see our actual filter right here, and this filter will just slide out like this. When you put your new filter in, you want to make sure you're paying attention to these airflow arrows. You want your airflow arrows pointing down towards the ground. We'll just slide our new filter in like this. Slide our new filter in again with the airflow arrows pointing down towards the ground. Slide our new filter in, make sure that's all the way in, and then we'll reverse everything we just did to close it up. So we'll grab our access door. We had those pinch clips on the right hand side. Then on the left hand side, you can see there's just kind of that tab. And that tab will fit in right here like that. And then that'll snap shut. And then if your glove, I'll just pull this off just in case this happens to you. So if your glove box comes off, it's just sitting on those four hinges. So that's what will line up. So just line up those four hinges like that. Push that on. Then what I'm going to do is push in from the center of the glove box right here and just push that in until those two stops clear. The final thing we need to do is reattach this latch. It'll just push right on like that. And that's it. If you have any questions, please let me know. If you could take a second to like and subscribe, it helps us out, and I'd appreciate it. Thank you.